What's up, guys? It's your boy Alan here from Alan's Old School Garage. Today I'm with my dad, the middle Alan.
There's three of us.
Yeah, there is three of us. Today we're coming at you with a little something that we built. Sorry about the mud on me. I was playing with my mud mower. We got a rainy day in PA. But anyways, so this is a toolbox that we put the Badlands. Take this stuff out. We put the Badlands Apex 5500 long drum UTV winch in it. It's pretty powerful. We'll show you that today. We have a switch right here to control it, and then a plug on this side over here, where you can plug your
cord in if you want to get away.
Yeah. And so we put it in the toolbox so it'll stay dry.
The bottom is for a 2-inch receiver.
Yep.
Or we have a chain that'll slide in there. You can put a pin in it and you can chain it to something if you need to.
Yeah. So you're wondering like how it's powered. Well, you don't have 12 volts everywhere, so we got DEWALT battery powered. So
is it going to hold up to 20 volts?
I think so. Everybody says that it won't, but we bought the extended warranty, so who cares?
We're good.
Yeah.
Cool. So we made it. He's all the time buying crap. And,
no, I'm not.
All right. He's all the time buying rusty stuff that doesn't run.
Treasure. With
flat tires, and we have to come along it up onto the trailer, or we have to get our big winch, which
right here
is right here, which is
Apex 12,000 Badlands.
Really heavy. So we wanted to make something compact to pull the lawnmowers around that he likes to buy and collect, and the go-karts and stuff like that.
And I'll show you, it's pretty light too.
You carry it no problem?
I would say maybe like 10 pounds.
Cool. So we actually haven't tested it yet. We're gonna drop a battery, and all my DEWALT batteries are pretty old. They're from 2017. There's a date on them, so
yeah,
they're very worn out. So we're gonna see how good they do. We're actually not sure, so
no, we're not.
We're gonna try to rig it up to something and pull it.
All right, I'll see you there.
That'll be fine for this.
This is a real world thing.
Real world problem.
Yeah.
Not like the stuff in school?
No. Not like the stuff.
No, he had a real world problem in school the other day where someone bought a new house and they were almost broke, but they needed $70,000 for decorations.
80,000.
80,000 for decorations.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd leave her.
This is the problem that we face. I buy a treasure like this. Treasure, and it's beautiful. Like, just look at this beaut car. A 1983 Honda ATC 185S.
Flat tire.
Yeah.
Doesn't run.
No, it does with some ether.
He did get it running, but when he bought it, the motor was locked up. Or when he got it.
It runs with ether. Okay. So I drag this thing home. I beg him for a ride. He gives it to me. And when we get there, it looks like this.
He tells me the whole way there, it runs good, starts right up, Dad. And it ends up looking like this. So
this is their. It's pretty hard to pull. And we have to drag it up this ramp and up there.
Okay.
So let's go grab a battery.
All right.
This is slippery.
All right, so this will be our first pull with this setup. I bought these batteries in 2017 and they're all starting to fail on me.
Yeah.
So we're going to try one of the older batteries first.
All right. You want the fair lead for it?
No, go ahead. You can freewheel it out.
We coat all our trailers at will. It's slippery.
So this battery, let's see if it's even charged. So this battery's already 2 lines down. Let's see if it does the job or not. Ready?
Yep.
So we got it. Front wheel don't even roll. It's nice, man. Put it in gear. See if it'll drag the whole thing. Oh yeah, no problem. The deck is really slippery. Alright, there we go. I am going to put a brace from this here, maybe 2 of these, up to here, but that was the first thing we pulled up here and that didn't even flex, so.
Yo guys, by the way.
We used to put a strap down here, which didn't matter, but
Yo guys, by the way. I need some parts for this thing. I'll show you what I need. So if you come to the rear end, the rear axle bearings are shot and you can like tilt it.
Yeah, it don't have suspension, but it looks like it does.
So I need some rear axle bearings.
Yeah.
And seals if you guys have any and you want to get rid of them. I'm here.
It does run. It does run.
It ran when it was last parked. Cause that's what they all say.
Alright guys, so we got it hooked up. We're using the same battery as last time. Only has 2 bars. Let's see if it pulls this up here. Alan's sitting in it, but he's in neutral because it has hydraulic steering and it's not going to fit on the trailer. It barely fits the front and then the back gets really tight. You ready, bud?
Yeah.
So you're neutral? Give it a rev. Okay. Alright, let's try this out. So, I'm just going to set this down because I have to point for him which way to go because it barely makes it onto the trailer. We gotta go this way a little bit. Alright, so we pulled it right on there. And the tractor pulling it, it's on there. Let's take a look and see. I pulled it right on, except for when you hit the wall. Once you turn, it came right on. The battery is not even hot. Still has 2 bars, so I really think this is gonna be a pretty handy piece because we can take it around. I can throw it up good. Nothing here is hot at all. Alright, bud. I'm going to shut the camera off and I'll unhook you and you can back up. So we noticed when carrying this earlier, it popped open when little Alan was carrying it. So we found a little hair clip to put there so it couldn't pop out no more.
Alright guys, check out what we have up here. We have the winch up there. Then we have my custom built tractor here. Made this thing. So then we have my 124 Cadet pulling tractor. I just put these tires on it because we were doing tug of war on the concrete. Thought they would stick better than V-treads. Alright. We got like the sides increment here. And then we have this thing. So this is my pop-up tractor. He gave it to me. I wanted to make it cool, and I did. Lifted 34-inch tires, custom portals in the back. Yeah, it's sweet. But then you're wondering, what's this winch cable for? Well, we have it hooked up to this. My Rhino RTV. This thing's sweet. Got a Honda B20V motor in it. Alright, let's see what happens.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. You might have to steer some wheels.
Yeah.
Alright, come here. We're actually got the same battery we started all this with.
Yeah.
Same battery, same 2 lights. Hasn't dropped at all.
No.
So, which is very impressive.
Or it's just some default batteries. But I don't think so. Oh, the tires are rubbing on the 124. Oh my goodness, guys. It's doing it.
You're having trouble, huh? Here, give me the camera.
Yeah. It feels like a storm coming in.
Yeah, it does. It's not looking great here. We're gonna try to.
Alright.
Ready? Started to pull a little bit hard.
Look, it's got the front tires lifted up.
There you go.
No way.
Look at that lineup.
Ultimate wheelie right here. Good at it forever.
All right, the wind is picking up.
Yeah, we better get this stuff.
Let's see real quick. This battery is not even hot. All right, so that pull made it go down to 1 bar, but we started with 2, and we pulled how many things?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Plus we pulled
4.
3-wheeler to start,
Yeah.
and the buggy, and then this pull.
Yeah.
So we might revisit this later and play a little more, but right now things ain't looking good here, so we're
Feels
gonna.
bad out here. It feels like a tornado.
All right.
Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
If you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff, let us know. In the winter
Yeah.
time, there's not many shows around here to go record, so we build a lot of stuff like this. If you'd like seeing it, drop a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and if you got any ideas for us, hit us up.
Yeah. And we also like building this custom stuff too.
Yeah, we got a 1400cc Suzuki engine that we are dying to put in something
And we have a radio flyer.
cool.
We have a radio flyer wagon.
Okay.
That's what we got.
All right. You got any ideas? Drop them. Drop
Yeah.
some comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.